Gusto ko magtayo ng negosyo pero natatakot ako. Hi guys, my name is Ai and I am a small business owner and a franchisor and also a content creator. And now I am here to help you guys overcome your fear of starting a business. Ibig sabihin nasa stage ka na talaga na kailangan ko lang ng validation. Nakita ko yung video ni Ai. Ganun. Number 5, plan and prepare for the risk. Kasi sa totoo lang, fear often comes from uncertainty. Gumawa ka ng business plan mo. Napaka-importante niyan na mayroon kang plan. I-calculate mo yung risk na gagawin mo for that certain business. Tapos, set up a financial safety net. Kung ito yung budget ko, hanggang dito lang ako. If this fails, hindi na maapektuhan yon yung natirang budget ko na yun. Kailangan sa negosyo mo, meron ka dapat roadmap. Kahit imaginary roadmap, lagi ko yan ini-aim na ito yung path, ito yung goal, ito ako, asan ako ngayon. Para mas ma-feel mo na in control ka sa ginagawa mo parate. To know further, pwede nyo akong i-message here para ma-explain ko sa inyo. I also offer free help to the people kapag may free time ako. No? Sana may free time ako. Kung napapanood mo to and you're in the situation na you're planning to start up a business, this is your sign na mag-start ka na ng business. But, like I said, make a roadmap. Plan ahead. Make a business plan. Ang paniniwala ko sa totoo lang, if ang mindset mo sa pagnenegosyo bahala na, you're not doing business. You're gambling. Okay? So, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more or know more about business tips or anything na under ng aking niche, feel free to comment below, subscribe, follow my Facebook page, join my community Millennial Negosyante, and subscribe here because we millennials are the future success stories. Bye-bye!